On March 18th, more than 450 small businesses in the market closed indefinitely. Many remain closed today.
Rachel the Piggy Bank was locked for the first time in her 35 years of supporting the market community. Meanwhile, market safety net requests for help poured in.
500 residents, mostly seniors on fixed incomes, sheltered in place.
Our market social services are on the front lines, keeping our downtown neighbors healthy, housed, and nourished.
Hundreds of shop owners, flower farmers, artists, and musicians are at home trying to keep their livelihoods going. Thousands of market workers lost their jobs.
Essential market businesses adapted to continue to serve the downtown community. After all, the market is Seattle's oldest grocery store.
The heart of Pike Place Market beats strong. Support the soul of our city.
Donate by texting MARKET to 91999 or visit pikeplacemarketfoundation.org.